Hi guys, thanks for tuning in today. I've just recently been restoring this old Tamiya TGM-02 Terra Crusher, and I fired it up for the first time yesterday. And the original engine that came with it was no good. It had zero compression, so I've had to actually swap out the FS18 that I put in one of my TG10s from one of my other videos. While I had it running, I've actually noticed that I've got a bit of a problem with the brake on it. So what's happening is that when I'm engaging the brake, it only seems to be wanting to stop the car as it's going backwards, not as it's going forward. I'll just give you a quick look at what's happening here. So if I just turn it on, as you can see there, all of the controls seem to be working perfectly fine. That's the throttle, that's the brake. And you can also see where it's pulling the transmission out to engage reverse, as well as the brake applying the throttle, so it does go in reverse. The problem I've got is when the brake is on, the car is still able to roll forwards. It only stops when it goes backwards. Now I should also mention that the restoration that I've done on this car was actually pretty light. The car was really in, it was just a bit dirty overall, and it did have a broken bulkhead on the rear, which I had to buy one of those and replace. Yeah, and to be honest, I just don't know too much about the FRAT, the forward reverse automatic transmission on the TGM-02. So any help there would be greatly appreciated. If you guys have any tips or tricks, or you guys have had any experience with the Terra Crusher, as this is my first, the first proper monster truck on my channel, I'd appreciate any feedback in the comments below. Too easy. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out my other RC related videos, and I've also got KORC on Instagram as well, where I've got a few pictures of this Terra Crusher being restored. Hopefully I can get this truck out in the very near future. I'd like to take it out for a run with the TGM-01, the Mad Bison. And I've also got another upcoming project, the TGM-03, which is the TNX with the OS Tamiya 3cc engine. So I'm looking forward to getting that one up and running soon. But like I said, if anybody knows why this brake is working in reverse, I'd appreciate any feedback in the comments below. Too easy. Thanks guys. Cheers.